fast.
This has got some really good flow to it right here. It's a little unsettling. Especially with the solidity of all the dirt and the hail in it, it actually has a fair amount of force. We could probably do it. I'm not too worried about it.
Just gotta make
That's way
faster
too
up there.
fast. That's way too fast.
No, I can see the main road up there. So
Yeah,
keep it
it's straight ahead. It's no problem.
This is completely disorienting.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm going backwards.
I feel like we're put past This is bizarre. We're in a river of hail.
Yeah, just treat it like a tube.
Nice and wide there. Just go back to the phone. Too much debris in it. Go walking on it.
It's getting around us. It's everywhere.
I just feel like I'm backing up.
Okay, this deserves a Spartan Network report.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think. Oh God, I don't know. I don't know.
I think he's gonna make it.
He's also going against the current.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good to proceed.
Okay, I'll watch.
Very disorienting. Is it pushing some?
Yes, I'm fighting it.
Okay, get over here now.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. I'm intentionally doing that
Okay.
because the current is pushing me to the right, so I wanted to intentionally overcorrect to the left.
Okay. 'Cause I can kind of feel it pushing us.
Yeah, I know. I could feel it too.